I'd love for you to talk about the marketplace dynamics or the mechanics within that and how the fans are able to interact, and like you've almost gamified being a fan, and you can become like the number one fan for, whatever soccer club or team.
This is correct. Yes. So the social media, the Arena platform is built in such a way that we connect with the professional football clubs. In return, we want to be connected to the fan base of such club, and then we propose to engage with the fans and basically provide entertainment in between the matches and competitions, because certain competition only runs for so many days, and then what? And we still need to do something around the sports. We would like to support our beloved clubs and whatnot, and still be connected or compete against other clubs. So we gamify the whole thing. We build a platform where we also give an opportunity for people to actually make money out of it as well. The way it's built, it's powered by Atleta Network and the Atla coin. And we have multiple social media, and we propose to have the social media interaction itself like generate a little bit of tokens on the platform, and that amount, same amount that a user can generate for himself, goes to his nominated club as well. So it's a win-win as we see it, because it also sponsors the club in a sense. And so the clubs see this as an opportunity to engage with the entire demographic of the following, because for some clubs it is difficult to reach out to those who are quite remote. Whereas us being, coming from the IT side, social media and marketing, we understand how to do that. We understand how to run a nice promotion, how to run a nice competition online. And we have so many things planned, so many things that we want people to interact in. But at the same time, we're now signing the clubs in their hundreds, and we want to run competition. So leaderboard tables of the best fan of this particular territory, or best of the best in that particular category, and then potentially we want to negotiate with the clubs so that the fan leaderboards can be put somewhere around the stadium, so for everyone to see.
Yeah.
And that makes it ever so exciting. I mean, I would want my name to be somewhere,
Oh, you're the number one fan on this platform for Manchester United, right? Like they're the second largest brand in globally compared to the Cowboys. I'm here in Dallas, Texas, and so like franchise valuations is something interesting to me, with Jerry Jones and what he's been able to create. But actually, I think Cowboys is actually number two. I think Manchester United is actually the number one franchise valuation globally. So to be like the number one fan for Manchester United and be like recognized for that, there's going to be a lot of people vying for that position. And that's a lot of attention on your platform. And same thing for like gameplay, to be like World of Warcraft or any one of these, you got to be playing a lot. You got to be spending the majority of your time and your day on this application, doing whatever things you need to do in order to be able to earn points, to be able to get the highest score or compete against other people on that application. So this is going to drive a ton of demand for y'all's marketplace.
Correct. Yeah. So and that is the concept. So we see this as a very great opportunity actually, and all the clubs that we've approached, and also along the way, not only we're supporting the clubs, we're supporting the entities that are managing the clubs, such as federations and leagues. So they need some level of financing to be able to improve whatever they do, but because they're not involved directly in the economics of sports, at least they only get the membership kind of payments, I guess, from the club. So they're struggling at times, especially when we went from like top tier clubs to like mid-tier clubs. That's it. That's where money is very scarce, and so everybody's looking for some opportunity, and we found this opportunity to support. What we've also found doing our research, is that a lot of people support actually not one but multiple clubs. So they would support a local and something that is big, like a national level. And so it only makes sense to support the local club through this way, because that way they get exposure. They may actually get new fans, get discovered, and so on. So again, it's all about relationships. It's all about the social lift and opportunities for everyone.
I think it's incredible, and the token's doing exceptionally well. Again, we have those clients reach out, and they've introduced us to a few others. And what's it? You guys have a listing for the token on MEXC, and on CoinMarketCap, I saw it over $300 the other day.
Oh yeah, it skyrocketed. The moment we've announced a few of the progression news, it just blew up. I think it was $22 Christmas time, and it just went out really high.
Yeah, there's a lot of interest in what you guys are doing. So, but what else? I mean, like you said, there's 35 companies that you guys are running, and maybe get into the AI side, because that's going to be super interesting for people. That's kind of a hot topic right now. What are y'all doing there to be able to, are you integrating AI with the blockchain, or is it something separate, different application that you guys have for it?
Well, we found a formula that if we, and we were building various projects. So you understand, we're more than 1,500 data scientists internally. So that makes one of the biggest companies in Eastern Europe that is dealing with AI. And so our team is capable in covering all sorts of business verticals. So we worked in financial technologies. We provided some solutions to the banks on the back end. This is how we build our own payment system inside our product. So we became an ecosystem of different products from different verticals, like entertainment, like sports, like many other things. We cross-license internally a lot of the products, which shortens the time to market. Basically, we found a formula where we can support ourselves through our own businesses, and there are so many different directions. So we have a world's first production studio that shot the full featured cartoon that we launched in cinemas, I think, Christmas last year.
Oh, wow.
We had box office #1 for like a few weeks, I think, even above the movies. So that was exciting.
That's incredible.
Everybody talking about it. Yeah. We use the AI extensively to collect the data on the athletes themselves. We want to automate the process so that the stats on the player are collected automatically through the camera lens, and that's it. No human involved. Everything is processed by AI. Everything's recorded in real time, and all we have left is just enjoy ourselves. Watch the game, get the stats, understand what's going on, and so be fully informed. We use artificial intelligence to build up the marketing. Marketing is one of the most, I think, talked about online things around artificial intelligence. But not only that, we are launching a social media with AI at its core, which is called Jiggle, which has a twist. It's based on music, an ability for anyone to become a musician, because the AI will fulfill the gaps of what we cannot do for music, basically. Like I myself, I don't have the voice. And I cannot play instruments. I can sort of
put together a beat and maybe some lyrics.
I understand a bit. I can do a bit of lyrics, yes, and that's about it.
Right.
Once we've connected, like we took our algorithms from the movie making company, and we thought, okay, hang on a second. We're already dealing with video. We're already dealing with text, because we had to decompose. It's a text to video thing. So we thought, what would it take to have that text AI to be able to write lyrics and at the same time align it perfectly with the beat? That's what makes the music. And then the last one, the cherry on top of the cake, we were developing a special engine so that the actors, once we fully digitize them, and for example, AI is fulfilling the stunts, we needed their voice to be lip synced and everything. So we had the engine that would clone the voice, and we developed it to such such a high quality, like a studio level, that it became a tool that where I can just narrate in different pitch. It clones my voice, and then it doesn't matter what lyrics I throw at it. It
Right.
will sing through as if I'm the musician. And it will fulfill the entire band in the room, even though I don't have any. And all I need is my whatever phone or an iPad or whatever computer to do that, and I can have a professionally mastered soundtrack in minutes, literally by talking to the thing. I don't even need to be a guru of AI at all. We build it to be one button, like one push of a button. I just say what I want. I say my emotion, things I see around. The lyrics is built. My voice is borrowed from me. Boom, we have a soundtrack. How cool is that? And not only that, what we built is we went further. We thought, well, there are so many apps. They help create music, like famous apps. But the problem with these apps, once you've created a soundtrack, it's only exciting until you run out of friends. Like before you run out of friends. So once they've heard it 3 times, that's it. That's it. That's the dead end. We build a social media with full automatic rights registration. So IP is registered. And the platform, the way we wrote the TNCs is that we split the ownership 50-50 of the track, but we provide the tools for free. It's a freemium, so free to start, free to do things, and 50% goes to the person who brought the idea. So from that point, we connected to the gurus of, and we actually had to create our own AI label, we call it, because not all of the AI content is